Hello and very good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to present about our Italian restaurant and cuisine. Before we start, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Yoshini daughter of Rajendran. My metric number is 25DDT19F1053.
Hi, my name is Tirashni Karnanidhi. My metric number is 25DDT19F1062.
Hi, my name is Vanisri. My metric number is 1052.
Foundation, let me give some introduction about Italian restaurant and cuisine. We are decided to opening a Italian restaurant and cuisine in Merseng, Johor. The reason we are opening our restaurant in Merseng is there are not such restaurant in Merseng. We are opening the Italian restaurant and cuisine to attract people who are living in Merseng and foreigners that who are coming to have their trip in Merseng. Moreover, we want to get feedback from locals and foreigners. In our restaurant, there are delicious type of dishes such as pizzas, spaghettis, bread, pasta, salads, and more. Our Italian restaurant and cuisine located at near beach. Customers can having their dishes while admiring the beauty of beach.
They have 9 elements of PMC. First is key partners, value proposition, cost structure, revenue streams, channels, customer segments, key resources, key activities, and customer relationship. First, we talk about key activities of our Italian restaurant. The first element is cooking the Italian food like spaghetti, pizza, and pasta. The second element is delivery the Italian food by Foodpanda. Then the third element is we provide service to the customer in our Italian restaurant. The last element is cleaning. Cleaning is very important to our restaurant. And then we talk about key resources. First is salary, packaging, ingredients, equipment, and logistics. These key resources are very important to our business. Next, we talk about the cost structure. First element is ingredients of Italian food dishes. Second is delivery cost. We have free delivery to certain places. And then third is employee salary. Last element is advertising, like we promote our Italian food in social media like FB and IG.
Today I'm going to tell about our key partners. We have Coca-Cola and Foodpanda as our key partners. We have two revenue streams, which is first one Italian food sale. We have a food sale based on Italian, and another one we have online order too, which is you can buy from Foodpanda. Element from me is customer relationship. We can provide our customer service as personally, and our customer service was very good. And we also have social media accounts, which customer can see our shop's website in Facebook and Instagram.
In 9 elements on BMC, now we are going to see about value proposition. The first one is our restaurant provide free Wi-Fi to our customers. In this, customers no need to use their mobile data, and more, they can save their mobile data from using our free Wi-Fi that our restaurants provides. The second one is special service on customer special day. Example, if our customer having their birthday or anniversary, our restaurant provides a slice of cakes to our customer to celebrate their special day with us. The third one is free ice cream. We provide to our every customer free ice cream after having their dishes, because they can end their dishes with the desserts. It means customers can happily having their dishes and happily they can leave our restaurant. The second one is channel. Customers can find us in our social media, that is Facebook and Instagram. The second one is website. Our restaurant provide a website that name is Italian Restaurant and Cuisine to customers can easily find us. The last one is delivery apps. The delivery apps example is Food Panda and GrabFood. Customers can find us in our delivery apps. The next element is customer segment. The people who are coming to our restaurant is poly student, tourists, families, couples and local people. That's all from us. Thank you.